Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Gemini on Samsung, easy method. Open Settings, tap Google, then select Gemini in the Assistant settings and grant required permissions immediately. Sign in with the Google account you want to use and confirm voice and typing preferences. Follow on-screen prompts to enable features like personalized responses and privacy controls. Restart the phone if prompted to finalize configuration, and confirm Gemini appears in your assistant options. To keep things simple, start by checking permissions in settings so Gemini can access mic and camera for full functionality. Next, verify your Google account under Accounts to ensure personalization and saved preferences are available across devices. Open privacy controls in the Gemini settings to choose what data is stored, then toggle off any features you prefer not to share. These steps streamline setup and prevent surprises later when using Gemini for searches and tasks. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and cut lunchtime stress, perfect for testing Gemini's food and recipe features. They fit neatly in backpacks and hold sauces without spills, which is great when you use Gemini while traveling. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If Gemini does not activate, try restarting your Samsung as a first step to clear temporary glitches and background conflicts. Next, clear the Google App Cache or update the app to the latest version to fix initialization errors and unexpected crashes. If responses lag or fail, switch to another Wi-Fi or use mobile data briefly to test connectivity. These quick fixes usually resolve setup hiccups, so you can start using Gemini reliably on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.